see how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to prep my face with the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance. This stuff is bomb. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it really gives a nice glow to the skin and kind of wakes it up. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is the Dior Forever. It's a really good one. I wore this on my wedding day and it held up very nicely. I'll be applying this foundation with the Morphe RX brush. Next, I'm going to go in with the Next, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going to just put that under my eyes. I'm also going to put it on the bridge of my nose and in a V right here and a little dot right here just to brighten up my face, especially since my foundation is darker than my skin. This is kind of where the light naturally hits on your skin. So that's where I put the concealer. Alright, so off camera I did my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go and start with my eyeshadow. Today I will be using the Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration. This palette is everything. Look at this sheen. Ugh, she's beautiful. Jeffree did such a good job. Here are the colors. I haven't decided what look I'm gonna go with today. I'm just kind of winging it. All right, so to start off, I'm gonna go in with the Honest Truth. It is this peachy color, It is this peachy color right here, just because it'll be a good transition shade. I think I'm also gonna mix it in with 1985 right here, both of these peachy tones. I'm gonna tap off the excess and then blend that in to my crease. I'm gonna go in with the pink and purple side of the palette, so I'm excited to work with that. With the same fluffy brush from Morphe, it's the M573 brush. I am going to go in, actually this might be in the James Charles collection. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm gonna go in with Back as a transition shade. I'm just gonna work this into my crease. I'm gonna go in with it is this pink shade right here, and I'm also gonna use that in my crease, just to build a gradient in my crease. The more time you spend on your eyeshadow in your crease, especially before you get into the fun colors, the more put together your eyeshadow look is gonna come out. So blend, 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 ladies.
Blend, 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 ladies.
Now I'm gonna go in with this tan shade called Mr. Diva right here. And then I'm also gonna put that in my crease, just to start to darken it up a bit. Alright, with a smaller fluffy brush, this is in the James Charles collection as well. It's the Morphe M433 brush. It's already got pink on it, so it's perfect. I'm gonna go in with Self-Made. The reason I'm going in with a smaller fluffy brush is we can make this look into a slow gradient. I'm gonna go in with this on my crease, in circular motions and windshield wiper as well. So I'm going in with a light hand. You can always add more, don't forget that. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M456 brush, which is also the James Charles palette, or James Charles brush collection with Morphe. It's more of a flatter, fluffy brush, as you can see. I just want to get a little more pigment with this color that I'm about to use. So I'm gonna go in with Mogul, I don't know how to pronounce it, and it's just this purple, really gorgeous, beautiful color. I'm going to just pack that color onto my outer corner. beautiful. Jeffree did such a good job on this palette. I mean, not that I'm shocked. He does good at everything, I swear. The colors go on so smoothly. Very blendable, very pigmented. I am a fan. So I'm bringing this out on my crease as well, or a little bit lower on my crease than I did with the other shades, just to carve my eye shape out. Okay, so now with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Calabasas. It's this really pretty maroon shade. So I'm gonna go in and pack as well on the outer corner. Just a little bit farther this time. And I think I'm gonna go for a cat eye look. So I'm gonna kind of go out and angle this color. Yeah, I'm digging that. We'll clean it up later. So with the same shade, I'm gonna go in and do the same thing with the crease as the last color we used and line my crease. I'm just trying to give some more dimension to the eye. All right, so I can't wear this shirt, it says Dog Mom, and not use the shade Dog Mom. It's this really pretty coral shimmer shade right here. I'm gonna go in with the same brush, but the other side, so I don't get this shade on it, just because I don't wanna clean it, because I'm lazy. And I'm gonna pack that onto the lid. Oops. Oh, she's beautiful. I cannot get over this palette.
Ryan Little.
I'm gonna go in with this shade too. It's the other pink shimmery shade. I'm also gonna pack that onto my lid. All right, so for my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Welcome. It's a white shimmery shade. And I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. I'm just gonna set that right in the corner. I'm also gonna dust it a little bit under my eye because I'm gonna add more color under my eye before I complete the look. Now going back in with my smaller fluffy brush using the pink shades we used, I'm gonna go back and just go through the same colors we used on the crease in the outer corner just to blend the shimmer with the matte shades. So I'm going in with pink, the Mogul, and the Calabasas shades. I'm also gonna go in with this brush, and then I'm gonna take the excess product on this brush and move it to the under eye. Back in with the fluffy brush that I used to make the base of my eyeshadow with the M573 Morphe. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Lynn. It's just a nudie shade. I'm gonna put that in my brow bone and blend that into the pinks. Okay, so off camera, I did my liner and my lashes. I put a white eyeliner on my waterline, and I used the L'Oreal Paradise Voluminous I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and then I used the Ardell Wispies for my lashes. So now I'm gonna go in and contour my face. Ari. My dog is having her time of the month, except she only has it twice a year, and so she has a cheetah print diaper on, and she's acting like such a lady right now. Ari, say hi. No. Okay, thanks. That's enough. Go lay down, baby. Go lay down, baby. Good girl. What a good girl. That is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe. XOXO.